ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिहि ओम ओम द्राम द्रीम द्रौम सह शुक्राय नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Namaste viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the astral science program. Astrology, the study of astral science and the application on the human life. People will still wonder, does astrology really work? When we apply in the right manner and understanding the planetary behavior and asking the right question, planets will definitely help us. Many people will say, yeah, you know astrology, right? Okay. Tell me something about myself. Yeah, tell me what I am doing. No, astrology is not in that gambit. Astrology is a very simple science. When a person is born, it considers the lagna, which is very, very important in a horoscope. The lagna. The lagna is nothing but the ascendant or the rising sign on the eastern horizon of the earth. Eastern horizon. There is a eastern horizon. The earth will be rotating on its own axis, and there is a big zodiac around our space. When this earth rotates on its own axis, it will be seeing every Rashi. The Rashi, what is the Rashi which was rising? What was the zodiac sign which was rising? That zodiac sign becomes the prime house in astrology. The reason why I am telling this is many people moon sign, because the normal people, those who are not into reading newspapers and not reading into getting into, who are educated, get confused, trapped in two things, two parameters. The first parameter is they know their moon sign, because during their janma, parents would have made a horoscope and kept in their drawer. Or kept in their album. That becomes my moon Rashi. But there is a very strong influence from the Western countries. Sun. No, they go by the sidereal placement of the sun, not on the actual ayanamsha placed sun. That is the haywire in terms of the sun sign prediction. Many English dailies carry this sun sign, which is, so that means the moon sign is very powerful. No, that is also not right. We look at the normal daily channel, or we look at our local newspaper and check, okay, for this kind of moon sign, for this kind of moon sign, if I am Aries moon sign, okay, this is this daily prediction at all. This daily prediction is just a mind game. That's it. It's not into reality. The reason, okay, sun has moved to this zodiac and this is your prediction. Okay, sun has moved to this zodiac, this is the prediction. How many people will be there? Worldwide, how many? So the entire whatever prediction comes will be directly applied to that kind of a population? No, wrong. I would like to request first, those who are interested can join. Yeah, tell me. Namaste.
Hello. Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask about my mother's health, sir.
Yeah.
I will go for Prashna Shastra.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, number is 144.
144. Health.
Yes, sir. She is continuously suffering from one or another disease, continuously. Even also we have wandered and we have visited so many hospitals also, and she usually follows all the yogas, meditation and everything, but still she used to suffer from one or another disease, pains.
Okay. Only pain.
No, sir. Pain, sometimes pain. Right now she is suffering from in Kannada we used to tell like sarpu hunnu, like that, and previously she rheumatized arthritis, and before that one back pain. Like that, leg while traveling, and she fails to express herself to me or my father, and we fail to understand her feelings also. Like that we are going to face every day. We are failing to get her what's going on, like that.
No, chanting mantra will change. I don't feel much
I
of
agree
a
that
issue.
one, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, sir, I agree that one. Your words are 100% right.
Chanting, she has to chant. I somewhere see a major change happens, I am telling you. Because I am not looking at a very strong combination of health issue. There should be some combination, because planets will never tell lie.
Correct, correct.
I have to
Someone
interpret.
used to tell that one.
I have to interpret based. Excellent. I have to interpret based on the present planetary positions, which is showing 11, 11, 11. Somewhere mentally she might be ill. Mental illness might also drive that I have that problem, I have this problem. Some might be visible to you people, some might not be visible in terms of the health condition. So always she might have a phobia. So we call this as a phobia, or we call this as a people always crib, okay, I don't have money, I don't have money. That is one people. Some people will say, oh, I have always health issue conditions. But if it is real, it actually throws up. Because this is more of a mental condition. First she has to get into meditation. Okay, this is the first thing I would suggest. Because from last 6 years you are telling one or the other health condition. She has to consider herself that I am strong. and there is no indication that there is real cause, because you are telling there are a couple of other health conditions which keeps on cropping up. Predominantly there might be chances, but in this case I don't see it's very strong in terms of the different types of health condition which arises over a period of time. No. So first and foremost I would suggest to chant this Trayambaka mantra, wear two-face Rudrakshi, and in terms of donation also I will just suggest, if there is pain or long-term illness, to donate wheat for next 3 months every Sunday, then donate Bengal gram every Thursday for next 3 months, and Friday curd for every 3 months, and let her wear one two-face Rudrakshi and chant this mantra, Om Trayambakam mantra. Everybody knows about it. Okay, so let me go to the next caller. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Myself, Akhilesh.
Yeah.
I have to ask about my mom's property.
Your mom property. Matlab?
Yes. It's not getting sold. I would like to go with the Prashna Shastra, Guruji.
Okay. Sale of property. Yeah, tell me one number from 1 to 249.
29.
29. Property.
We couldn't able to sell it, Guruji.
Let me see. Moon and Mars till May. Moon and Mars. Moon and Moon will complete. Moon and Mars. Moon 3-5. 3-5 combination denotes there is sale of property, but not where. Let me see the strength of it. The Moon Dasha 3-5. Very low. The people will come, might ask for throwaway price. Let me look at the Antarbhukti. Antarbhukti 3-5-10. That is also medium. Mercury low. Again 3-5-10, 11-12 high. So you have to wait till Ketu to sell across. 2028 March to 2028 October is the fruitful time. Between that time in Antarbhukti I would like to suggest the timing, which will be between 2022 March is the only month where there is a strong chances of sales. That is the only period. After that is very less. So I would like to suggest to pray for Ketu. Just chant this mantra, Om Kem Ketuve Namaha. Then I suggest 1, 2, 3, loss 5, because the combination sale of property very high with 12 is also there. Okay. Om Kem Ketuve Namaha. That is the only suggestion I give. 2022 March is the time. That is the only month. Whoever comes during that period, just sell it across. Later is very, we have to wait till 2028. Namaste. Namaste. Hello. Hello, namaste. Please speak out.
Hello, sir, I'm Ashwari. I wanted to ask about my mom's health. I'll go to Prashna Shastra.
Okay, tell me.
I'll take 16.
Health. Okay, let me look at the health condition. 2021 moon only is running. Moon 4 and 5, the hit is 3 and 3, 5 and 5. Health condition, there is a combination of both, very good health and very bad health, both. It's mixed.
Okay.
How can I say? There is blood pressure. You take the tablet, the blood pressure will come down. Got it?
Yes, yeah, correct.
Simple, because 4 and 5 combination shows you input a tablet, the disease subsides. Okay. Again, if you are not taking tablet, it increases.
Exactly, sir. Like as you told, she has a blood pressure thing and she's taking medication for it. And she also has mental pressure because my dad recently passed away and her mental health is not that great. So as you told, if she takes tablets, it will be fine. But is there any solution that you want to suggest, Guruji?
She has to build up her mental ability. Simple. Everybody will go today or tomorrow. Yes, I do understand the pain. But she has to become strong. At least she has to, you have to convince her, we are here with you. At least why can't you look at us? Don't worry about who is already dead. and he'll never come back even if you think 1,000 times. Correct?
Yes, Guruji.
If
Yes,
you
Guruji.
if she thinks for 1,000 times, or even for next 6 months, she can be meditating on her husband who is departed. He'll never come back.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
So she should be more worried. What is today? Who are with me? Okay, that mental thing which is very strong will not go. So my combination till 2030 she will be suffering in the same condition. So my first and foremost will be, she has to wear one Rudraksh, two-face Rudraksh. Okay, and she has to donate radish for next 3 months every Saturday. And to be happy, to be within the family, she has to wear one peridot. All this is done, her BP will come down, she will start loving the family, and she will start thinking who is within myself, not to worry about who has already gone. Next. Namaste. Good evening. Namaste.
Hi Guruji, I'm calling
Hi.
from Bantwal, Karnataka.
Okay.
I'm calling regarding my job. Actually, I'm working in an IT field.
Okay.
So I want to continue the same, but as a part-time, I just wanted to like create a YouTube which I'm interested in, like designing and editing. So will it be feasible? So I just wanted to
Okay.
check.
Third house is the house for YouTube. Third house should be very strong. With 3, 11 should be there. With 3, there should be 10. And with 3, there should be 2 for getting money, or 11, or 3 with 7. Third house is the house of the small media, not the big media. Small media, small screen for YouTube. Just tell me your date of birth.
Yeah, 26/04.
Okay.
1992.
Okay. Time of birth.
Time is 10:15 p.m. night.
50.
10:15. 1:15.
Place of birth.
Bantwal, Karnataka.
So when are you planning to start?
Like 2 months or so. Not as a primary. I will continue in IT, but
Yeah, whatever
just,
it might
for-
be, whether it's a part-time or a short-term, whatever it might be, it should fetch you some money, and it should be long-term. It's nothing that, okay, you start now, let it be part-time, where I'll work for 2 hours in late night or whatever combination, that has to come. The current Dasha, let me see, Jupiter Dasha is going across, and 2023 tak Venus, and Jupiter, there is 3rd house and 10th house, Venus 6 and 11, then it moves to Sun. Okay, the Dasha has got the 3rd house to get into this, and there will not be any hurdles. You can definitely do. For the short term or part-time business to improve, I would suggest you to wear 3, 5 and 12. 3, 5 and 12 is also good, because 12th house denotes worldwide publicity. Okay, you can wear a 3-face Rudrakshi to help you out in this short-term business or a part-time business. Along with that, to improve on the money part, you can wear one amethyst, because amethyst, the Saturn is with 2, 3, which is a short video which we can consider, and 2 is the money for it. Okay, my suggestion, you kindly wear one amethyst and 3-face Rudrakshi. You can excel in it, but don't leave the current job. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Namaste.
Yes, sir. Sir, my date of birth,
Yeah,
27
27
June.
June.
Yes,
Okay.
90.
Time
Hello.
of birth.
Time of birth 2:47 a.m. Kodlipete, place of birth.
2:47.
47 a.m.
Okay. Place of birth.
Kodlipete.
Kodalipete. Kodali, it's not coming. Which taluk?
Somarpete.
Okay. Question.
Sir, question about marriage, sir.
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
So your ascendant is Aries and your moon sign is Leo with Maka Nakshatra constellation.
Yes, sir, correct.
Currently the Sun Dasha is completed. Let me look at Moon Dasha. Is it favorable? 4-10. So why 4? Very cold nature, and earlier 2-9-11 is also there. The earlier Dasha was very strong for a marriage. You missed out on many opportunities. I don't know, now the Dasha is completely bad. See, this is what we call is the yoga. And we should look at the yoga and consider immediately for marriage. 2-7 is also there. 2-7 also is there. These are the periods which has come across for the marriage. So Sun Dasha, Mercury Bhukti, Sun Dasha, Venus Bhukti, and the earlier combination of Sun, especially I will tell you, Sun Dasha Mercury between 2018 and 19 was very fruitful, and again 2019 to 2020 August was very fruitful. So there would be a lot of alliance which would have come and materialized, but somewhere the next Dasha was showing that the marriage combination of 4-10 is very, very weak. So you have to take a call, sir, immediately, or else the marriage combination is very weak. I would like to suggest 2021 June it has started. Within this January, Mars will complete. Mars Bhukti will complete, and this is the golden period for you immediately to take a decision, because Mars, there is a hit of 2 there, which is around 40%. So there is also a combination of 2-9-11 within this. So I would suggest, then you go for Rahu, it is very weak. Go for Guru, very weak, not advisable. Then you have to go for Saturn period again. So again you keep on going there. Again there is a hit of 2. Again there is only 2 consideration. One is the Mars consideration and the Saturn consideration for current period. So that would be maximum 2022 January. Then next period will be between 2024. It goes 3 years from now. So where 1, 2, 3, 2, 7 Shukra is 1. That also you can't wear. All have got a problem. Okay, I would suggest you to wear one Burmese ruby. Okay, good luck. Act fast. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I'm Hema. I'm calling from Bangalore, Nagarbavi.
Okay.
Sir, I'm due for promotion actually, but I want to know whether I will get the promotion in Bangalore only, or I have to move out of station.
See, moving out is a question of transfer.
Yes, sir. No,
Getting promotion is a different
only.
subject, and
No,
moving
no,
out
sir,
is a...
it is on promotion only.
If you get a promotion, it's a default to move out, you have to move out.
No, it is not default, sir. It may be in this Bangalore only I can get that.
So what is your question, madam? Please tell me.
No, that's what, sir. If I get the promotion, whether I will be in Bangalore only, or I will be going to move out of station.
There are 2 questions involved in this. I can't take 2 questions at a time.
Okay.
Either you should ask me, will I get a promotion? Or you have to ask me, even there is no promotion, will I be transferred?
No, even there is no promotion, I will not be transferred. That is, I know pakka, sir.
Then go for only one question, where will I get a promotion? Period. If the same question has got 2 answers within it, then why are you worried about transfer?
No, sir, because if I get a promotion also, I don't want to move out of station. There is a chance of getting promotion in Bangalore only, but I'm not sure. Both chances are there, sir. That's why.
Question. Okay. Yeah, tell me your number from 1 to 249.
And 240.
What period is the promotion time?
And that is due in September, sir.
September.
Yes, sir.
Moon completes and Mars comes. Moon 5 and 6. Mars completes. Then there is Rahu. I don't foresee a promotion in near chance. There is an increment in money. This shows increment in money.
Okay.
But promotion is not on your cards.
Okay.
So if you want to look at a promotion, you have to look at 10 and 11. 10 and 11 is situated with Jupiter. So whenever Jupiter comes, there is a very strong chance between 2023 and 25.
Okay.
For a very strong promotion is been shown in Jupiter. Not immediately. If I look at Jupiter who is coming, if the promotion is little bit postponed to November,
Okay.
I look at a very favorable time. But Rahu is coming. Let me look at Rahu's condition. Rahu 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 5, 6, 11, 12. Highly difficult. So just pray for Jupiter. Om Brahma Brahmaspate Namaha. You can get a chance. Just apply turmeric as a small dot to your forehead. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaskar.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I am Raghavendra Deshpande calling from Hyderabad.
Yeah, tell me, Raghavendra Deshpande.
I want to know about my son's future, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
His date of birth is
Yeah.
1st August.
Where are you calling from? Which place
I'm
you
calling
are?
from Hyderabad.
Okay, you are watching our program regularly. Recently you started, or today only you started?
No, sir. Regularly I am observing. I am watching your program, sir.
Acha.
Regularly.
Okay, great, sir. Thank you. 1st
Thank you
August
very much, sir. 1st August 1993.
1993. Time of
And
birth?
the time is 1:30 midnight.
1:30 midnight. That means it is almost on 30th of July, 31st,
Yes.
whatever might be the scenario, and 1st
Yes,
of
sir.
August, correct? Transition.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Place of birth.
Date of birth.
Place.
Place of birth Hyderabad, sir.
Okay. Where do you stay in Hyderabad?
Ramantapur, sir.
Ramantapuram. In Ramantapuram there is one Durga temple. Kali temple, I believe.
Yes.
Kali temple.
Yes, sir.
Kali temple main Archaka is my student.
I see.
You can just go to him. He knows Kannada. He is basically from this Bellary belt, I believe. Anantapur Bellary belt.
Oh, okay.
Ramantapuram, there is a Kali temple. It's a famous Kali or Durga, somewhere like that.
Yeah, Durga, and by the side of that, on the main road itself.
Yeah. You can just go there.
Hmm.
His son is also, he performs some puja over there.
Yes, sir.
Because I have students all over the world.
Oh,
You can just
great.
go and contact. He will also predict on the same basis what is Nakshatranadiya which I am predicting. Okay? Ramantapuram, the temple. Kali temple or Durga temple. It's very famous in that area. Ramantapuram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 8 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is regarding, what is the question you are looking at?
My son's future, sir. He has finished his CSC,
Okay.
and he has been to Australia, but in Australia he didn't. He had some problem about issues about
Getting a job.
From. Yes.
So he did his BSc Science.
CSC.
CSC.
Computer Science and
Oh, okay.
CSC, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So currently you are looking at, he is looking at a job in India, right here in Bangalore or Hyderabad or anywhere in South India? Okay.
Anywhere, sir. In
Okay.
India or anywhere.
So currently he has started a new dasha, but after 2018 Rahu was quite fruitful to stay in Australia and continue his career there.
Yes, sir.
Was he not able to do a odd job over there and continue his career there?
He has done his odd job, sir, but doing odd job and study, that was not
feasible.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Because Rahu
Yes,
usually promotes abroad travel and abroad job. Rahu is
Yes,
also
sir.
very good, but 4, 9, 12. Rahu has just started. Currently Rahu Dasha, Rahu Bhukti has just completed. Jupiter has just started. Jupiter is 8 and 10. So I would like to suggest one Dhanam which we call. Kindly donate rice to poor people every Monday for next 3 months without fail.
Okay, sir.
If this is done, he will have a stable job after couple of months. Okay.
Yes.
Still, if he can try out going back to Australia, nothing like that. I would suggest, yeah.
Okay.
If he's still
sir.
thinking, I'll go and try back. If he has got some friends, if he can get back, He can definitely excel because there is a 10th house and 5th house. 5th house will drag for the job. 5th house means 6th house ka negation, which is 5th house. So there is a dragging in the Rahu Dasha, which was just started in 2018. When he came back?
Recently, sir. 1 year.
1 year back. Okay, okay. Because he was still running that Rahu Antarbhukti, which completed until to the so April onwards. He should have holded back, sir. There.
But he was having all sorts of tensions, and his roommates were not supporting him. All those internal problems were there.
Because anyway, if he is doing some odd job over there, he will be still having that visa, na? Work visa, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you people have loan on this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you people have taken loan for education?
No loan, sir. No
Okay,
loans.
okay, great. That's a saving grace.
Yes, sir.
But here the job prospect will not be so great here.
Yes, sir.
If he can rethink,
Yes,
and
sir.
if he can rethink of revisiting there and get a new friends over there, I still suggest it might be little bit burden on going back again over there with little bit of more expenditure. He will again excel there. Some hasty decision he has taken. I think the environment was not very fine, I believe, as you said, friends, pressure and all. Somewhere he should have shifted the place from there. Sometimes happens when there is 8th house which is running. Okay, I would suggest one mantra. Let him chant Om Shri Shanishcharaya Swaha Unlimited. If he chant this mantra and when he completes 10,000 repetitions, he can have a fruitful job, at least here or there. But still, the planetary position says that he has to get back there for better career. Here also, it's a small try. Okay, let me go to the next. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
My name is Srihari. I'm calling from Kerala.
Srihari, tell me.
Yes, I was
Which
born
part
on
of Kerala?
1996, sir.
Which part of Kerala?
Sorry, sir?
Which part of Kerala?
Tiruvananthapuram.
Oh, Trivandrum. Okay, great.
Yes.
Very good place. Ananta Padmanabha temple.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
great. You are watching my program regularly?
No, sir. My father suggested this right now. So he wanted
Okay. Because I just started some 4-5 days back.
First time here, sir. First time here.
Great. Okay. You believe in astrology or you have some kind of a
Yes.
trust in astrology?
Yeah, I believe I know people.
Okay. But in Kerala there is a different system, right? They do this
Yes,
Prashna
yes.
Shastra.
Yes.
Okay. My system is quite different from that kind of a care where people follow a different traditional astrology over there. Prashna Marga is very strong over there in Kerala, where Prashna Marga and Prashna Shastram, Deva Prashnam they call it as. Okay, Deva Prashnam something. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Tell me, tell your date of birth and time of birth.
I was born on 10/10/1996.
One second. 10th October 1996.
Yes, sir.
Time of birth? Time is important.
Time is 2:06 a.m.
Place of birth?
Tiruvananthapuram.
Okay, based on your date of birth, your ascendant is Cancer and your moon sign is Leo and your nakshatra we call it as Purva Palguni. Okay? Pubba they call it as. I don't know in your Malayalam language what they call.
We call it Puram.
Puram. Yeah.
Yes.
So currently you are running this Mars Dasha. What is the question you are looking at?
I would like to know about my job prospects and my marriage prospects.
Okay, I'll take one question please. Can you just emphasize which question I have to take? Job? See, currently you are running this Mars Dasha and Rahu Bhukti. Mars Dasha and Rahu Bhukti, which is also 2 to 2.
I would like to
See, I'll
know
just
about
tell
my
you
job
that marriage
prospects,
prospect is very, very strong before September. Before October. This year October the marriage is very, very strong. Then if this skips, next year you have to go post September. You have to go. because Jupiter Bhukti is very strong, very weak for the marriage perspective. Rahu is very, very strong. Current conditions are very favorable for marriage. In terms of job, there is no much negative in terms of job. You can just carry on with your present job where you are going. If you have any obstacles, I would suggest to donate once in a while any iron article to a poor people. Any iron container or some building material you can just donate. You will excel in your life, and your strong stone, which I would suggest, gemstone, 2, 5, 11, would be moonstone. You wear moonstone, family life as well as money part you will excel in. Nothing to worry. Horoscope is good, fantastic. Good luck. Namaste. Hello, namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
This is Sharath here, calling from Bangalore.
Yeah, Sharath, tell me.
So I just wanted to check about my job because I'm planning to change it
Okay.
now.
Okay.
And I'm also planning to start a business. So staying in business would do, or like changing my job would do good. I wanted to check about it.
Yeah, please tell your date of birth.
It is 2nd of August 1993.
Time of birth.
2 o'clock 28 p.m.
2:28 p.m.
Right.
Place of birth is Bangalore.
Yes, Bangalore.
Okay. The ascendant is Scorpio. The moon sign is Capricorn, and nakshatra is Shravana nakshatra. Is it right?
Right.
So currently you are running the period of Rahu. Let me look at Rahu 1, 3, 4, 6, 10, 12, 3, 4, 2, 5, 10. The hit theory is 3 and 10. Anything related with communication, anything related with network marketing, networking, anything related with management. These are the subject which you can consider for business.
Okay.
But business consideration should be without investment, not with the investment. If you are looking at a product marketing or product selling, no. If it is in the software networking side, so you will excel well. The next dasha, which is also Jupiter, also shows in the same direction, that you can excel in something which is some kind of a social media marketing or digital marketing. This kind of business will definitely suit you. Okay?
Okay. What about the job change, Guruji? I just wanted to check about that.
Job change. Let me see the sub-period condition. I have to see 2021 July tak Venus, then Sun will come. 5-9 is the combination which you have to get it across. 5-9 is definitely there. I can just tell you that between 2021 July period to next September, you will be getting a new job. 5-9 is also in the moon. Yes. So there is a very strong period. Within September you will get an offer, but it's mild. But selection, going back, resigning here and joining that new company will be your choice, because whenever there is Rahu, Saturn and Ketu, which comes under the gambit of the Antarbhukti, and there is 5-9 combination, definitely there will be a change. But if it's in the mild and milder planetary positions like Sun, Moon and all, there is a chance, but you might not take it up. So anyway, there is a change within September. Good luck. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Priyanka Rani from Mysore.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask about my career, job. I'm preparing for last 6 months. I'm preparing UPSC.
Great.
Yeah, sir. So I want to know about whether will I crack the UPSC exam or will I get a government job?
I would like to insist on 2-3 points. For
Sir, whether my dream is IAS, whether I clear and I go to that position or what, I want to ask that one, sir.
I can give you an indication. The reason I will tell you 2 points. I was just telling you the same thing. Okay. You or me, you or myself will not be knowing the exact result period. That is the first point. Okay. Can you pinpoint me when you write your prelims? Can you tell me what date or what month they release the result? That is the first thing. Then I can say that pass or fail. then again after that there is a mains which comes across. So after writing
Sir?
the mains there is, sorry?
Sir, I am preparing since from last 6 months. I want to crack UPSC. In which time, in which period? Whether we will get a job or what?
Yeah, tell me your date of birth.
4/12/1990.
Time of birth.
6 p.m.
6 p.m. That's it. No minutes, seconds.
No, sir. My mom told only 6.
Place of birth.
Holenasipura, Hassan district.
Based on the given time, I am telling currently. Okay, your
Yes,
ascendant
yes.
is Taurus and your moon sign is Gemini with Ardra Nakshatra in it. Currently, you are running a dasha called Saturn, and let me look at the Bhukti till 24 Rahu, Shani and Rahu. Shani is showing 6-10, there is no 11. Rahu is showing 6-10, 11. Let me look at the hit theory. Rahu, there is 6 and 7, there is no 10 and 11 hit. So I would like to say that it's a chance of 20 is to 80. 80% you can crack, 20% is quite difficult. So for UPSC you require 100%. The combination is not strong enough to crack it easily. But my suggestion is pray for Durga Mata, Om Hrim Dum Durgaya Namaha. And as I was telling, I would require the exact result time so that I can consider which Antarbhukti runs across in all the 3 levels: prelims, mains and the final interview. That is what I wanted to tell you. Will I crack? How can we say that we can crack? Because there are 3 different timeline for your examination. 3 different timeline. When we have 3 different timeline, we have to check our Dasha Bhukti. Dasha Bhukti might be same for entire 1 or 2 years, but the Antarbhukti keeps on changing in periodical time. When we have to consider the periodical time for checking our UPSC, and I have seen more than 1000 horoscope who have tried for this UPSC exam, and whenever I used to tell that you will crack prelims and please tell me the approximate time of main, I will say it's gone. No, again you have to come back to prelims. There are certain people where I tell you might do well in prelims and mains, but the final interview will not be favorable, because they used to tell the approximate timing somewhere like June, December they used to tell. That was the period I was looking at. So people work hard. They have what I tell that they have the capacity to crack it, but the planetary positions also should give the capacity for them to be awarded in terms of the IAS or IPS or whatever IFS what they do across. Okay, let me take the next question. Namaste.
Namaste Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Myself Srishti. So date of birth is 5th July 1998.
Excellent. 5th July?
1998.
Okay.
Time is 8:13 AM.
8:13, 13.
13.
Place
AM.
of birth?
Kumta, sir.
Kumta. Okay, dear viewers, August 1st we have a course on this astral science, which is under the name of Nakshatra Nadi. There will be 2 batches, one between morning 10 to 12 and again in the evening 7 to 9. So people can come to know all the combinations based on their job, based on this UPSC cracking, everything. So telling about this UPSC, madam, 1 second, be online.
Yes, sir.
Okay, telling about this UPSC, whenever I say it is quite difficult, people get offended on it. They expect good things to be told. No, I am confident on my hard work. I am confident that I will do very well. I will go take up coaching. Fine, I am not denying it. But at the same time, based on my experience, I have always seen people do hard work. People get into this coaching. People go for Bangalore. Some centers are there. There is a Delhi a very famous institute. They go there, they pay huge money, and most of the time they have tried for 5 to 6 times and failed. Then I would emphasize on them that your horoscope was actually not supporting. At least if would have been supported 70%, 80%, I can try. Okay, go try, give a try, chant this mantra. When there is no support combination which is showing there, I would bluntly tell them it's quite difficult. That is there, they get a little bit offended and they look at me as a as a Rakshasa kind of a thing. This guy is telling me I am doing hard work. There is nothing called a soothing things which I can tell across based on the planetary positions which is being shown here. I cannot tell for the sake of soothing you. No, I'm not a person who can just motivate you based on the horoscope. Horoscope, you have to people take it as sugar or as a poison. That is only option, because I go through this and there might be a error in my prediction because the error might be of 2 reasons. One, my interpretation will not be a major impact, but the time is very, very important, and time will be the error part in prediction. And usually whenever there is a error part, if somebody says that I have born at 9 exactly, so usually people exactly at the strike of 9 birth will not be considered accurate. It might be 8:57 or 9:03. Because why this is required is we have to look at the cuspal point. In my Nakshatra Nadi, the cuspal point is very good, very important, and this cuspal point points out the accuracy of the prediction. Otherwise, I have to just tell, okay, it might happen, it might not happen based on that. If at least the time is perfect, I can say that, okay, there is chance of 80%, yes, you please try. There is no chances, no chance. Most of the time, astrology has won. Most of the time, astrology has won. Okay, Kumta.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question was, like, I want to try for government job, so will I get government job, like clerical positions I wanted to try?
Let me see the possibility of government chance. Okay, the Lagna, Mars is not favorable. Mars in the nakshatra of Mars, Sun, Rahu, Moon, Jupiter. No, not favorable for government job. But 10-11 is the last chance. Let me look at 10-11 combination. Saturn Dasha is running for you, and till 2024 Rahu will be operative. Saturn 978 and again Rahu 79. Saturn doesn't have 10 and Rahu. Madam, I'm really sorry, the planetary positions are not supporting for government job. So my suggestion, I can give you some suggestions based on the astral signs. Wear a red thread and one coral, and chant mantra Om Kram Krim Krom Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. This is the only option, chant. Let me continue the calls. Namaste. 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 Hello. Yeah, please speak out.
Hello.
Namaste. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, my name is Kiran. I'm calling from Mysore.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask about myself, sir. My date of birth is 12th December 1988.
Time of birth?
12:23 p.m.
Place of birth?
Mysore, sir.
Question?
Sir, whether I want to do business or job, sir.
Okay. Currently, business. You are doing business?
No, sir. Currently, I am doing agriculture here.
Okay. So, you are leaving agriculture and going for some business?
No, sir. Before two years back, I was doing job.
Okay, sorry.
That was not successful, though.
Okay. Rahu Dasha is running. Rahu Dasha, Venus Bhukti. Rahu combination. Let me see that 2, 7, 11 is there. 2 is not there. 7 is not there. Mild. Rahu, Shukra. Rahu, Shukra. Okay, let me see it. Rahu combination. No sir. Business, no, not at all. There is no 2, there is no 11 in this combination of Rahu Dasha. So there, even in the hit theory, if we can go and consider, Rahu is having 12th house of loss. Sir, complete loss will happen, sir, if you go into business. I am telling you, the entire till 2026 Rahu is running. After that Jupiter will start. So after 26 you can have a chance. That is just a chance. Okay, in Jupiter at least there is some improvement, but Rahu will bring you down in terms of money. So what you are currently doing, please continue. Don't get into job. So no job. Okay, no business. Sorry, you can get into job only. No business. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah.
I would like to know when my marriage will take place. My relative.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
He is my sister's son.
Okay.
His date of birth is 4/7/1989.
Time of birth?
10:50 p.m. sir, night.
Place of birth?
Dharwad.
Dharwad.
Yeah. Presently he is working in Bangalore.
Okay, no problem. I'll just check. So his ascendant is Aquarius and his moon sign is Cancer. Nakshatra is Pushya Nakshatra. Is it right?
Maybe, sir. I don't have his horoscope.
Okay, no problem. Ketu Dasha is running. Ketu Dasha, Moon Bhukti. Ketu Dasha, let me see the combination 467, 467, 56. There is only a combination of 7 in Ketu. But let me see at the hit theory. Marriage is quite difficult, sir, for this person.
Why, sir?
He might not be interested in marriage, or he might be highly selective.
Sir, he is in love with a girl. The girl is also in love with him.
Okay, selective also comes under the same thing, no? Selective means what? He'll be interested with that person, right? Can you see our screen? Love with a person or highly selective, or both are one and the same. Can you see the result in the Ketu Dasha?
No, sir. No.
Oh, you are not able to see that. Okay. Can you just push this one screen, blow up, result me.
Wait for a while, please.
Okay. This is just the dasha which I am showing it. So there, whenever there is a 5 hit and 6 hit, but there is negativity in that also. People, either of the family might not approve for this. I don't know where this person has gone. Quite difficult, sir. Highly selective or love. I don't directly tell love over the media, because people sometimes feel bad that their identity should be saved. Okay. So quite difficult. Quite difficult. You people have to go with that, and that will also not be a happy married life. That is also written on his fate. Highly difficult. There is no solution for this. Only God has to help. You people have to accept. If you people are accepting, I don't know about the girl side whether they accept or not. Okay, let God bless them, because lot of 5 combination is there, which is also selective and love. 5 is the house of love. 5, 5, 5. There is also 6. Highly difficult. Okay, let me go to the last call. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, Guruji, November 1st, 1998.
Huh?
1/11/1998, my
okay.
date of birth.
1990. Time of birth?
8:20 a.m. Sunday.
Place of birth?
Bangalore.
Question?
Guruji, I'm finishing my final year BSc right now.
Okay.
I wanted to know which course will be better for my higher course.
Is it any stream you are looking at?
Yes, sir.
Specialization. What have you completed?
BSc. Right now I'm doing my final year BSc.
Okay, in MS what combination you have to take? What stream in under MSc?
I'm thinking of taking science field itself, so I wanted to confirm which course will be better for me to
Mercury and Mercury Dasha has just started from 2020. Let me look at Mercury 8, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 12. There is a hit here of 5 and 12. 5 and 12. Life science, is there any subject called life science?
Yes, sir. Yes,
can you just get into that? Life science will help you because 5th house is the house of life. Okay.
Okay.
So MSc life science will definitely help you.
So apart from MSc life science, any other?
What is your choice? You tell me whether that falls in this combination. Let me see. Tell me, madam, fast.
Guruji, I was thinking about doing like MBA or getting into business field or something like that.
No business, madam. No business. 5 and 12 is not at all. That is the only way. Life sciences, what I just suggested, that is the only way you can go.
Okay,
so you can't get into business. Business combination is not there. If you just go to business, very bad in business. High loss. Clearly it indicates. Okay. Good luck. Thank you. Don't get in, venture into any business. So kindly join my class which starts from August 1st, which will be taught in the English medium. Everything you can know about your life, whether to get into business or not, what line suits me, whether I have to go for higher studies or not, when is the marriage period, what is the condition presently on the marriage. Just now we saw a lot of examples. So I would like to suggest everybody who have just called or who are viewing my program, just make a strong decision to learn this subject Nakshatra Nadi. It gives a lot of energy, encouragement, satisfaction to move in life when you learn this Nakshatra Nadi. So 2 batches will be there. So I'll be starting 2 batches. One is in the morning between 10 to 12, one in the evening 7 to 9. Anyway, good day, good night to all of you. Have a